Some of you may have been counting the days. Others may have felt like time has flown by. But whether it has felt fast or slow, more than 2 years have passed since the epidemic started. However, I have not allowed the epidemic to dampen my spirits, and since life in China has been slowly starting to recover, I started to prepare for my next adventure, a trip to Songpan. I'm Kirsty, and this is my boyfriend Max, and are particularly interested in Chinese culture and history. In order to explore the Shambhala culture, we have previously been to Jiuzhaigou, Kangding, and Targong.
Wenchuan.
And whom?
He's Tibetan.
Songtzu Tubo.
Tongsun Gambu.
And they have a relationship together?
Yeah, they're the ones that got married.
From Xi'an all the way down to Tubo.
There you go.
But there's still one place we are keen to tick off our list: Songpan. We came across a stone statue of two people. One, Princess Wencheng. The other, Songtsen Gambo. Their love story took place in the Tang Dynasty and has been passed down as a generational story. Princess Wencheng's entry into Tibet not only promoted national unity, but also safeguarded the country's peace and tranquility. This is the ancient city of Songpan. The transportation here is well developed and not only has a profound cultural history, but also has a complex and diverse natural landscape. In order to satisfy my interest in history, I asked the history teacher of Songpan Middle School if I could sit in on one of his classes. Hello, today I'm in beautiful Songpan and I really want to know more about the history and culture that it has to bring. So I've come to Songpan Middle School, where I'm hoping we can find a local history teacher to tell us a little bit more about all of this. So let's go. To my surprise, the children gave us a warm welcome. Hello. Say, what's your name?
I'm Max. Nice to meet you. Say hi, Max. Wow.
Do you like math? 数学课. Like it? Yeah. No.
不是生态什么？
喜不喜欢体育课？喜欢。为什么？
After the English class, my long-awaited history class was about to start.
刚才的话题呢，和同学们来聊一聊松潘的历史。
Through the teacher's narration, I learned about the long history of this place. In this history class, I learned that there are Tibetans, Changs, Hans, and Huis in Songpan. And there are a total of 21 ethnic groups living in Songpan. In 316 BC, the state of Qin established a city here called Jianxian. The ancient city winds for several kilometers and is very majestic.
Tubo 是怎么衰落的？
吐蕃是怎么衰落的吗？
是的。
相当于内乱。最后逐渐的国力也就消失了。最后就分散了，很多的这个吐蕃，他出来征战的这个部队就在原地休息了。也构成了我们今天松潘，包括阿坝州很多藏族的来源。
How are you? What's my name? What's my name? You want to ask me again? I am Zhuhao. Oh, my name is Kirsty. Yes. Nice.
Ask me your phone number. Forward.
I said, can you remember it? They were like, no pen!
The landscape is vast, with endless hills and snowy areas for gentle hiking. We had a great day taking it all in. Now, it's time to eat.
So this one smells amazing. This one smells phenomenal.
It smells so good. I'm really excited.
It smells spicy, but it smells salty as well.
Do we eat this, or do we go in?
Cheers.
That's good. That's really nice. It's like
So fresh. Everything is so fresh and fragrant. Look at this meat.
Wrap it up.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh no. How?
Got it in there.
Good?
So good.
Yeah? Cheers.
Cheers. That's so weird. That was freezing cold.
But so delicious, so fresh.
I don't know how I feel about that. I love meat, but that is freezing cold.
I like that.
I want to try it with
Soya
this is jangyo.
and wasabi.
Oh, wasabi, a little.
So I think it's so delicious.
I prefer that.
Yeah?
It's just really strange because it's so cold.
It's so fresh.
I don't know how I feel about it. I'll eat it all day long, but it makes me feel weird. It's really
Feel
tasty.
weird?
Yeah, but it's so cold. I'm eating cold meat.
Like sushi, but
Yeah, like frozen cold raw meat.
that's really,
Is it raw?
really fresh. Really fresh.
Wow.
Shengniuro.
Yeah, I know, but
Some people say that food can cure any problem, and with the fresh ingredients here, it's easy to see why. We stayed in a very modern homestay. This style is becoming more and more popular here.
这些是手工做的，我老婆。哦，真的吗？对，这是她做的。然后这些木头都是我们当季的木头。啊，对。这个房间很大，但是现在的灯光稍微要暗一点。这个就是类似像这个是在外面买回来的，但这个是藏族的一些元素。
The owner is a very interesting character. He's local and is young and open-minded. Max and I both agree, he's not exactly what we were expecting. He wants to integrate the modern culture brought in from the big city with the local cultures of various ethnic groups, so as to attract foreign tourists and provide a place for local people to relax. All this without losing the antique cultural heritage and while still being innovative and modern. Here, all my shopping desires can be satisfied, from silk scarves, clothing, Tibetan clothes and hats, to food and herbs. everything you could ever want. In the depths of the mountains, there's a group of simple and hardworking people striving for a better life. It's touching, isn't it? On the way home, we encountered a problem. An ambulance was stuck in the snow. In this difficult time, Max and the good-hearted people passing by helped the ambulance. Although our languages are not exactly the same, we know that we can all benefit from helping each other. Seeing the snow-covered ground, I began to think of home. It doesn't snow often in my hometown, so when it does, it's a rare but beautiful sight. Here, it seems to snow more often, but it's no less beautiful. Maybe snow in different places has a different personality, heavy and dreamlike, or soft and glistening. But what is the same is that playing in the snow makes us all feel like children again.
So it's 7 p.m. now and we have waited for the stars to come out for a while, and I can say that it is beautiful. I have not seen the sky so clear and the moon and the stars so bright for such a long time. The air is crisp, the air is so clean, and the stars are so bright. It's so beautiful this evening.
Yeah. Living in the city, you're lucky if you see 4 or 5 in one night.
You forget how beautiful it is.
It's just amazing to look at.
Stars upon stars upon stars.
Songpan. It's a place I will miss and will definitely visit again.